If you missed the AI trade, I get it. Buying in now feels late. But here's a headline you may have scrolled past this week. Elon Musk just confirmed Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, starts production this quarter. Your first reaction might be, so what? I can't afford a robot. But that reaction may cost you the next big move. Let's rewind. In 2019, Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory hit full production for the Model 3. That single event didn't just move Tesla stock, it ignited the entire EV supply chain for years. Tesla shares alone went on to surge well over 700% in the 2 years that followed. The lesson wasn't about the car, it was about what happens the moment a story becomes a production line. Fast forward to this May. AI lab Anthropic told investors it expects $10.9 billion in revenue for the second quarter of 2026, more than double the previous quarter, and its first ever operating profit. That single disclosure crushed the AI is just a burning cash bubble narrative overnight, and chip makers across the AI stack ripped higher within weeks. Worth noting, Anthropic itself cautioned investors that this profitability may not hold for the rest of the year as spending ramps back up. Still, the pattern held. So when Tesla says its robot moves from prototype to production line this quarter, what does that actually mean? Capital doesn't chase stories, it chases proof. And the moment proof shows up, AI model, robot, doesn't matter. Money moves fast. The best entry point is usually right before that proof lands. So where is Tesla really? The company says Optimus V3, its third-generation humanoid, was unveiled earlier this year and is targeting production start in late July or August 2026 at the Fremont, California factory, which Tesla converted after ending Model S and X production there. Fremont's target, roughly 1 million units a year. Musk has also floated a longer-term ambition of 10 million units annually at Tesla's dedicated robot facility in Texas, though he's been candid that early output will be slow given how many unique parts each robot requires. If that ramp plays out anything like Tesla's EV ramp did, the same production playbook and design, tool up, scale, repeats, just with a robot instead of a car. And it's not just Tesla making this bet. At CES 2026, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang declared the ChatGPT moment for physical AI is here. And he's since put a jaw-dropping number on the opportunity, a $40 trillion total addressable market for humanoid robots and labor automation. Robots, in his framing, aren't toys for the wealthy, and they're AI with a body. Every task it performs becomes new training data that feeds back into the models. Huang, Musk, different products, same underlying bet, extending AI out of the server room and into the physical world. Here's the pattern worth internalizing. Every major tech breakthrough has historically dragged its supply chain up with it. The iPhone lifted an entire ecosystem of component makers. Tesla's EV boom did the same for battery and charging infrastructure. The generative AI wave lifted chip makers and memory suppliers into some of the best performing stocks of the decade. If you already missed those waves, humanoid robots may be the next one forming in real time. Based on what's been confirmed so far, 3 areas stand out. First, core components. A single Optimus unit reportedly contains well over 10,000 parts, and the actuators and joint modules, essentially the robot's muscles, are estimated to represent a large share of total unit cost, alongside sensors, cameras, and precision manufacturing components. Second, Tesla's own manufacturing playbook. The company is applying more than a decade of EV supply chain and mass production experience directly to robotics. The same operational muscle that scaled the Model 3 is now being redirected at Optimus. Third, the broader trend. NVIDIA, Hyundai, and other industrial players are all expanding humanoid robotics partnerships this year, and analysts increasingly frame this as a multi-decade infrastructure build-out, not a one-off product launch. You don't have to have an opinion on whether Optimus succeeds commercially to see the opportunity. Before anything ships, it has to be built, and that means real orders for real component makers. The iPhone wave, the EV wave, the AI chip wave, you can't go back and catch those. But Optimus doesn't hit full production until late this summer. Spending 5 minutes this week looking into who actually supplies Tesla's robot program isn't too late. It might be exactly on time. I'm Kyle. I'll see you in the next one.